Everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna share the difference between taking a loan from banks or from NBFCs. So your NBFCs are non-banking financial companies, and I personally took a loan from NBFC, a loan of 20 lakhs. So in this video I'm gonna share what is the difference between taking loans from bank or from NBFCs for your education. So let's get started. So the first difference is that NBFCs can actually provide you much more funds without collateral. Generally, banks in India, they give you a loan amount of 7.5 lakhs without collateral, and after that they would require a collateral. So NBFCs, what they do is they can provide you, they're very flexible. So in case of Canada, they can provide you loan up to 20 lakhs because Canada is cheaper, and if you go towards United States, they can provide you loan up to 40 lakhs. So that is something which is there. They don't need collateral. So that is the biggest part here. So you don't need collateral in the sense of your FDs or property or anything. You don't even need that. So NBFCs are good in that terms. The second thing is rate of interest. So this is the point where banks lead. So banks can provide you a really less rate of interest as compared to NBFCs. So NBFCs can have a large interest rate, for example around 10%, 12%, or in some cases 13% as well. I also have a high rate of interest, and if I compare it with the banks, banks can provide you the rate of interest of about 8%, 9% as well. So there is a difference in the rate of interest, and here banks have a plus point. So the point here is NBFCs are actually taking a risk on you. They are not taking any collateral from you, and that's why they are taking a risk from you, and they want more rate of interest or more value of return from you. So that's the thing, they have a high rate of, so that's why they have high rate of interest. They are investing more money on you as compared to banks. The third major point here is processing time. It's not written anywhere that processing time is less in NBFCs as compared to banks, but this is based on my own experience and as well as experience of various other students with whom I had contact, like my friends. So it is based on the experiences of a lot of students with whom I had interaction. So processing time for NBFCs is less as compared to banks. When you process your loan through NBFC, there is an agent which is allocated to you, and that agent would be your point of contact, and that agent is like much more active, and he would be interacting with you a lot. So that is something which is missing in you do have a person of contact in case of banks also, but you don't have a large team just dealing with the education loan, because NBFCs are there are dedicated NBFCs for education loan, whereas banks, you know that they have a lot of other work as well. So that's the reason here. Now if you ask my own personal experience, I took a loan from NBFC, right, and not a bank, and I took a loan of 20 lakhs. Now let's come to different examples. So for you can take loan from bank. Punjab National Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC is there. So all these are examples of banks. And NBFCs, I can give you some examples like auxilo is there, hdfccredila is there. Now I can't tell you which is better from which, because I had my personal experience with just one NBFC and it was good. Like I got my loan sanctioned and everything was fine. I paid my fee as well, so that was okay. So I hope this video helped you understand what is the difference between banks and NBFCs, or you should go for bank or NBFC depending on your situation. Apart from that, I'll come up with a video of sharing my own experience with the NBFC with whom I took my loan. So I'll share my experience in details of how the process actually went for me and all those details soon. If you have any questions or queries regarding loan, you can ask it in the comments. I would be happy to answer your queries.